Here I have HUAWEI P Smart, and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's find the screen that you want to capture. In my case, it could be simply the calendar. Let's just assume that I want to save the following screen, so all I have to do is use this combination, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together these two keys just for a second. As you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. So let me show you again. Let's hold down together power key and volume down simultaneously, and you just save the following screen. Alright, so now let me show you the second way of taking screenshots. Let's just use upper bar twice and tap screenshot. Let me show you again. Let's use upper bar twice and tap screenshot. Alright, there is also the third way of taking screenshots, but you have to enable this way. So let's open the settings. Right now, let's find and select the Smart Assistance, choose Motion Control, and here you've got 3-finger screenshot. Let's tap it. Here you've got the instructions, here you've got the switcher. Let's enable the switcher, and now let's use the 3-finger to take a screenshot. So you can use any 3 fingers to take the screenshot, and let's just swipe these fingers to the down edge of the device, and that's it. You just take the screenshot by using that method. Alright, and now if you would like to share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with your screenshots, let's find the screenshot folder by using the gallery right here. Let me skip the auto synchronization. And here you can choose the photos or albums. In albums you've got the screenshot folder, and here you may share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with the following screenshots. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.